So me and Javon had already previously recorded this video, but for some reason, none of the audio went through. So what we're gonna do today, I see the car right here. What we're gonna do today is, for some people who know, I have the Eibach springs put on the car. So it's nice and lowered. It's got a better handling now on the car. It's really, I would say it has way more grip on the car than it did before with the stock springs. So what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna take you guys down this back road. It has a lot of turns, real sharp turns and a lot of twists. We're gonna go, I think, down back once and back forward once, and hopefully y'all see how the car handles, because prior to this, the car has a lot of body roll with the stock springs. The car still has some body roll even with the Eibach springs, but it's a lot better. The car handles a lot better. So let's hop in the car. We're gonna go for this quick little ride through this back road. We're gonna see how the car handle, y'all, and I'm gonna put it through some stress. So I mean upshifting, downshifting quick, and we're gonna see how it handles. You ready? All right, so let's go. Got all these leaves over here. So we're gonna drop it in sport mode. So nothing crazy, just some little bit of twists and turns on this little road. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back one more time. I think the car is handling pretty good. I obviously just need some better brakes. I can feel my brakes starting to fade really quick. That's the, yeah, that's the water, Papa. Yeah, water. Yep, it's cold right now though. It's cold water. Car sounds real good though. It's probably gonna be the first time you actually hear the car really good. Nice little golf field in the same area too. Yeah, the car definitely feels tighter around corners and stuff. A lot better. Oh, that sun is bright. This car moves, man, and I know it's not the best handling car, but it does pretty well with those springs. You want to go get a car wash? good, man. It definitely feels good. Like I said, the car is gonna have body roll regardless, just because it's a bigger car. Look, just hitting the corner, going 46. Look at that. That's pretty good, man. I don't know. Mind you, this is no... Wow, look at that, how easy that is. I love this car. I don't care what nobody say, man. This car is so underrated. Chrysler just didn't do their job marketing this car or advertising this car properly, because this is a crazy car, man. And for it to be a almost 5-year-old car, this car still has a lot of stuff 2020 models don't have. Like, this car was way ahead of its time in 2015, so at least in my opinion, man, this car definitely didn't get the appreciation it deserved. I've never kept a car more than 2 years because I just get bored of it. I did get bored of this car at first, but once I got the pedal commander, oh man, it just changed my whole look at the car, and it just feels like a different car now. I have not yet to get a tune. I probably won't, just because I plan on buying another car soon. So I haven't gotten a tune, but I hear great things about the tune. Once you tune the car and the transmission, I heard the car is another car again, just because the transmission holds back so much power from this car. Yeah, so hopefully I enjoyed that. I feel like I had to do a video just because nobody's done the video on like any kind of handling on a car. I mean, there's just no support for the 200 on YouTube anywhere, let alone any businesses making parts or stuff for the car. So I just wanted to make a quick video about the handling and how it handles with the springs on it, because I feel like it's not a bad handling car without them. Like I said, there's just a lot of body roll, but the springs make it a lot better. Even on like regular highway driving, the car feels a lot better just because it's lower to the ground. Oh man, getting those shots, I had sit the camera on my nose, so my nose kind of hurt now just from getting that shot for y'all. But that's all we got for y'all today, man. I just wanted to take the car around the back road, show y'all how good the car handles. This is a pretty good driving car, man. Again, it's underrated. Just from the power to the design to the handling to everything, I just feel like it's underrated. We didn't get the love we deserve. We didn't get the time we deserve and the appreciation of this car. We'll see y'all in the next video, man. Hope y'all have a good rest of the day. It's nice out right now. It's still cold, but the sun's out. It's not snowing. Yeah, he's leaving in his truck. You want to say bye? Say see you in the next one.
I'm not telling here.
All right, guys. We'll see y'all in the next video, man. Thanks for watching. I appreciate y'all.
Yeah.
We out. Peace.
Yeah.